Now, because there's an editor, we can already do a lot of things in Flexi that will make our life easier when we're sending jobs to VersaWorks. As we demonstrated earlier, it's very easy to import images, apply contours to them, and send them through to print and to cut. Now in this case, we're just going to make ourselves a simple sticker, multiply copies, and send it through to a VersaWorks queue. So I'm going to import a shield. It's just a vector shield, it's solid white. We'll make that black so it's very clear. And I want to use the shield as a mask for my Union Jack flag, so I can make some cool stickers to print and to cut. So I'm going to get my shield, I'm going to put it over my Union Jack, which I will expand. I'm going to select both objects like so and press Ctrl 5. This is an alignment, which means it's equal in the center, vertically and horizontally. If you want to look at the alignment tools, they're under Arrange, Align, and the one we used is both centers, Ctrl 5. I'll again select both objects, right click and select Mask. This will use the object on the top to crop the object on the bottom. Now I'm going to select my shield, I'm going to go to Effects, Contour Cut, and select Contour Path. This I'm going to have directly on the line and then slightly inside, so it's set to 0.05 centimeters, like so. And this is going to be with the color Cut Contour. So I'm going to apply that one. I'm then going to reselect my object, go to Effects, Contour Cut, and choose a rectangle. I'm going to apply the color Perf Cut Contour, so my cut line will be recognized by Roland VersaWorks as a perforation cut. I then select Apply, and there we are. That's ready to send. But first of all, we're just going to go again to Arrange, Step and Repeat, and make sufficient copies, like so. Now, I simply select my job, and I select Send to VersaWorks 6. I can choose my file name, like so, and I want to include my cut contour paths. Then I choose my printer, which is a VG640. I choose the queue, so let's send it to QD, and I click Send. If I go to QD, my shield.eps is now rendering, and there we are. So if I double click on my shield and I go to my cut controls, I make sure that print and cut is selected, and we see that the cut lines have been recognized like so. Now if I want to use Roland VersaWorks to send my print job and I want to send my cut job from FlexiSign GR edition, that's still completely possible. And again, I would just go to Effects, Contour Cut Mark, and apply my GR marks, and then select my file, select Send to VersaWorks 6, choose a file name, make sure the contour cut path is selected again, you can choose a different queue this time for example, and then send. Now I open up VersaWorks, in QA, I see it's beginning to render my file. Double click on my job. The cut lines are still being recognized, so as this is a hybrid printer, I'm going to change it to print only and send. Once the job is printed, I need to load it onto the cutter, position the head of the cutter so the knife is over the bottom left mark, signified with an arrow, as this is our origin. Then I select my file, cut contour, Send now, and click.